This is a very South African race. GTI versus bakkie. Hello, you wonderful people. Welcome to another Cars.co.za drag race. Thanks very much for joining us. I'm Ciro de Siena. I'm in the new 8.5 GTI. But you knew that kind of already because you've clicked on the thumbnail. My colleague Dave Taylor is in the BYD Shark 6.
Right, this is going to be a battle of titans, legacy GTI versus upstart BYD Shark. Now, there's a lot of love for the Shark, and it's totally understandable because one of the nicest interiors, one of the coolest, most efficient and powerful powertrains, and let's not forget the big elephant in the room, the fact that it is probably one of South Africa's fastest bakkies.
Deal ratings. We rate every deal. These ratings are based on real market data, just straight up honesty. Let's find what moves you magic. Cars.co.za.
Now, on paper, this looks like a very weird drag race. However, both cars have almost the same 0 to 100 time. And because that's a bakkie from space, it has a lot of power and torque, 321 kilowatts, 650 Newton meters. Now, my Golf 8.5 GTI has had a bit of a power bump over the 8. Now it's at 195 kilowatts and 370 newtons. We'll put the horsepower figures on the screen for you. I know our overseas viewers appreciate that, and you shout at me when I use kilowatts. We couldn't get a press demonstrator because they're all in Joburg and we're in Cape Town. So Joubert and Anke very kindly showed up at the drag race with their private car so we can test drive it. Now, there are some interesting things about that car. It has off-road tires because they off-road a lot in it, and it has a 100 kg canopy, and it absolutely scoots off the line. It jumps, that thing, even though the surface is wet today and even though it's not on very sticky tires. I am so interested to see what happens here, but keep in mind that it's wet today. The Golf is wrong wheel drive, so it doesn't launch very well in the wet. It doesn't actually launch very well in great conditions, to be honest with you. So we're going to do some standing races and some rolling races. Okay, Dave, I saw you doing some practice launches and that thing absolutely jumps.
Da-dum, da-dum, da-dum. Hey, remember the music from Jaws as this big shark approaches? This could be very interesting because this thing gets a move on.
I think it might eat me on the standing race, but the rolling race is going to be interesting.
I think this is going to be pretty matched. Also, remember that I'm almost 2.9 tons and you're probably about half of that.
Yeah, the weight difference is mega. I do think the canopy helps with aero though, even though it does add weight.
Look, let's find out.
Hey, weirdly enough, Golf 8 and 8.5 doesn't have an ESC button anymore. You have to go into the infotainment, put on ESC Sport so that you can use launch control. All right, GTI ready.
Sport mode, battery at 90%. And leave traction on. Let's see how we go.
Launch control active. Oh, it's a good launch from me.
Off the line.
Look at that BYD go.
Wow, gone.
I spun all the way through first though.
He's still there though.
He's got about 4 car lengths on me.
The mighty Shark.
That's a fast bakkie. Exit speed 167. I had a good run there.
Wow, this thing is mega.
Oh. Holy moly, that is one fast bakkie.
Yeah, I had a little squirrel off the line in sport mode with traction control on, and then it just said, right, oh, you need petrol engine. It says, you can have it all, and off I went.
Yeah, I know, that thing's mega. I've got a GTI theme song. I'm gonna put a new pop on my GTR and Volkswagen laws about the power.
This is why we're not paid money to sing.
Launch control active, 4,000 RPM, and we're off. of me, and
Yeah, that GTI is disappearing in my mirror.
I spun all the way through first. As I hooked second, it got a little bit better, but the Shark is running away. I reeled him in a little at the end there, a little bit, a couple of meters.
It's frightening that we're at this point. We're a plug-in hybrid bakkie with 2 electric motors, a petrol engine, weighing almost 3 tons, can absolutely decimate a legacy hot hatch. Is this where we're at now?
Always gonna get you laid, always gonna make you lie, always gonna blow a turbo and hurt you. So you might be thinking, why didn't we get a Golf 8.5R? And 8.5R, as of today, 1st of April, is still being tested for our market, you know, fuel quality and all that stuff. And 8Rs just pretty much don't exist. I mean, they kind of went on sale in SA, but you couldn't really buy one. And they were expensive. And the GTI is just more common, more popular, so. In 3, 2, 1, go! 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 Oh, better launch from the GTI. It's getting a bit drier. A little bit of right and left. Nah, BYD is gone. Actually pulling away from me even faster now.
This thing is so fast.
Exit speed 164. Not a bad run from me, but as I predicted, yeah, same thing. But this has been very scientific. 3 runs, exactly the same results. Let's move on to a rolling race, guys. Okay, rolling race time, and introducing on your screens right now a Mr. Joubert.
Hi, I'm Joubert and this is my BYD Shark. I like long walks on the beach, Cape Town, and eating GTIs today, it seems. I admin the BYD Owners Group South Africa. We have a passionate community of BYD owners that comes together, shares opinions, and enjoy our cars.
The reason we put him in the car for the rolling race is because he knows some tricks. There's something about a torque multiplier in there. I don't know, he was explaining it to me and I didn't, it was interesting. Okay, Mr. Joubert, how are you?
Mr. Ciro, good on you, man.
Welcome to the channel. Thanks very much for bringing us your car.
Yeah, thanks for having me. Love trying GTIs.
Okay, Joubert, let's set off. All right, let's go. Get it up to 30. I'm at 30 and 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, he jumped a little bit there. Let's see if I can reel him in. He's a bit eager. Hey! I'm gaining on him a little bit.
BYD Shark, who?
Ah, it was close.
And across the line. What do you think about that, Ciro? Did I jump a bit? Should we go again?
Yeah, a little bit of a jump from you. Okay, same thing, Joubert. Let's go, set off. All right, let's get to 30. And 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, not bad. I'm all over the road. I'm pulling on him. Yes. I think I got it! Yeah!
Very interesting. Sound limited the power delivery initially, so it was very slow to get away. Well done, Ciro.
Yo, for a 2.7 ton vehicle though, that thing hauls there.
Ciro, I had the aircon on. I was taking my time to think of an excuse now, but my aircon was on and my cooled seating as well.
Yeah, I got my aircon on. If we can do one more, I'd like to do one more. Okay, Joubert, we're gonna try punch it at Sean. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, he jumped a little bit there, but it's pretty much. We're reeling it in a little bit. And we are out of track time. There we go, everyone. GTI versus Shark. One of the more interesting drag races I've done. Man, that Shark's fast. Thanks very much for watching. We have over 1,000 videos on the channel. If you've just found us on the internet, go check out our back catalog. Hundreds of reviews, loads of drag races and track races featuring pretty much every car we can get our hands on. I have been and probably will continue to be Ciro de Siena for at least the foreseeable future. Be safe out there, guys. See you on the next one.